In this question, we have linked list, and in linked list, we have 1 and 0. And from that linked list, we want to find what is the decimal value we have in the linked list. So for example, we have 101, is in binary 101 is 5, right? And this example is a little confusing, so I'll just use input. I just wrote it here, 1011. So it's 1, 2, 8, so it should be 11 in decimal. So before we start, I'll just give a quick review of what linked list is. Linked list is it's kind of a tree without with one child instead of like more than one child. So like if it's tree, we have this kind of a data structure, right? But if it's linked list, we only have one way. We only have a one branch, and if we don't have next child or node, it just says null. So from linked list, okay, let me erase this one. Okay. Right. So what we want to do is we want to travel from here to the end here, and we see what value we have. We have either 0 or 1, and 0 or 1, 0 or 1 to find out what is the decimal value. So how we start? Okay, so we're starting from the beginning. We call it head. I think this is head, right? Come on, stop lagging. Head and tail. So when we're in, let's say beginning or head, we only know value is 1, and we don't know from here to here. We cannot see, right? So what we know is, hey, from this point, next pointer is null, or we have a next pointer, meaning we have address and we have a 0. We have a value. We don't know 0 or 1 unless we point it out. So how we do that is, remember binary number. Let's say 0, 0, 1, for example. If you shift it to left, 0, 1, 0, it's same as multiplying by 2. Do I need to talk about this? Anyways, let's start from here. So let's say we know, hey, our value is 1, right? So if you look at code here, I'm saying, hey, if next node is not null, let me shift one position to the left. So here we have okay, starting here, out equals head value. So I'm just saying, hey, our initial value is whatever, 1 or 0 of this header position. So we have 1 here, right? I should say out equal 1. And we have our next pointer. So we say, hey, let me shift it by 1 position to the left. So this out is actually like this. Now I'm going to shift it. And when we shift, we want to check, is this 0 or 1? And we have 0, right? Let me label A, B, C, A, D. And we have A, B. And let me go to C. So I'm at B now. I'm looking, hey, we have a next pointer. So let me shift current 0, 0, 1, 0. So we would get 0, 1, 0, 0. And so after shifting, we check, hey, what is the value of my current position? So we have 1. So I'm going to do +1. So +1 is just saying, hey, I'm just, hey, if we have 1, I'm just changing this, how do you call it? Is it LSB? Yeah, LSB to 1. Right? The +1 is just adding 1, let's say. So this is C here. Right? So next one, hey, we still have an X pointer, so let's go to D. And we shift it 1, 0, 1, 0. And what's the value of D? We have 1, so I'm going to change it to 1 by adding 1. So we get 1, 0, 1, 1. And yes, that's pretty much how we get the answer.